Welcome to Health for Life, your trusted source for health and wellness insights, proudly presented by Vitruvian Health, the comprehensive healthcare system serving Northwest Georgia and Southern Tennessee with leading entities like Hamilton Medical Center and Bradley Medical Center. We're dedicated to keeping our communities healthy and thriving. Today we're talking with Misti Bowers, Director of Hamilton Hospice. Today we're going to talk about what makes Hamilton Hospice unique. Misti, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm glad to share what sets Hamilton Hospice apart and how people can reach out for help.
Well, I'm glad you are here. What makes Hamilton Hospice different from other hospice providers?
So I know that we are different because all of our decisions have local ties. I think that all effective healthcare is local and all of Hamilton Hospice is local. From our physicians that are here in Dalton to every staff member being no more than about 45 minutes away from every patient. Our relationship with Hamilton Medical Center and even Hamilton Long-Term Care, those being Ridgewood Manor, Clinton Memorial, and Regency Park, we are able to care for our patients throughout their care continuum and make sure we are giving the right care at the right time and in the right place.
Good. Who is on the Hamilton Hospice team?
Well, I have a really great team of some of the most caring and compassionate folks I've ever met. Our team does include, however, our patient's primary attending physician. We also have our hospice medical director, registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, home care aides, have a hospice social worker, chaplain, a bereavement coordinator, and a volunteer coordinator, and a few really fun volunteers.
Sounds like a great team. What type of services do patients and family members receive aside from medical care?
So we offer specialized care that's really tailored to each individual's needs. Hamilton Hospice does have a comprehensive medical and support service team. Aside from the medical care, which, again, we provide in the home or in long-term care or even assisted living facilities, which includes nurses and pharmacy that's on call 24/7. We do provide medical equipment and supplies. But our social and spiritual support is provided as well to all of our patients and their families by the hospice social worker and the hospice chaplain. Our patients have an option for respite care. This is for patients that are at home whose caregivers need respite. They need a break. We all know and have heard that when our cup's empty, we can't fill anyone else's up. So this allows those special caregivers a break, and we can do that every couple of months. We do offer bereavement support for our family members and friends, and these are the ones that have been surrounding their loved one. So after the loved one passes away, these people receive care from us, from the hospice team, for a year to be sure that everyone is coping and adjusting well.
What a great program. And a great team. Where do hospice patients receive their care?
So hospice is not a place, it's a service. That means that hospice comes to where you are. Hospice patients receive care in several different settings. So one could be in their home. A lot of people do prefer to stay at home, and the hospice team comes to you there in your home. In the nursing homes as well, and that would include long-term care facilities as well as assisted living and independent living facilities.
What about the cost involved? How much does hospice cost?
So hospice is a Medicare benefit. Medicare and Medicaid both cover hospice at 100%. And that's going to cover all of the care, all the services, the nurses, the home care aides, all the medications, all the equipment. But most all private insurance companies do have a hospice benefit as well and offers good, oftentimes 100% coverage for hospice.
Thank you so much, Misti, for sharing this information with us. This topic is incredibly important for so many families. How can our listeners find out more about Hamilton Hospice?
Thank you for having me on the show. Hamilton Hospice can be reached at 706-278-2848.
That's 706-278-2848. Or you can visit vitruvianhealth.com/hospice for more information.
Thank you for listening to Health for Life, a presentation of Vitruvian Health, formerly Hamilton Healthcare System.